What's up everyone, my name is Des and today I'll be doing a deep clean of my refrigerator. This thing is a mess, don't judge. There's just a lot of leftovers, things that are old, so I'll be getting rid of all of that stuff. If you like micheladas, definitely try out this mix, it's super good. To clean today, I'll be using this 4 Monks vinegar spray. Had this little one to help me clean out the fridge, which was nice. I went ahead and wiped down all of the inside of the fridge with the vinegar spray. For the shelves and the drawers, I washed those with soap and water. Washing them in the sink was definitely the harder route because water got everywhere, all over the floor. I could not figure out how to take the little shelves off. If you know how to do it, please leave a comment below because I couldn't figure it out. I got the long one in the middle, but when I tried to take the bottom one off, I broke it. So if you guys know the best way to take out the shelves on the door of the refrigerator, please go ahead and let me know. Since there was some sticky stuff on the door, I just wanted to make sure and wipe everything down before I put it back in so that I don't get it dirty again. I threw the last of my bagged breast milk away. Kind of bittersweet. Before I started wiping down the freezer, I ran hot water over the cloth just so that it doesn't stick to the inside of the freezer when I'm wiping it. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of cleaner you guys use. I'm interested in also natural cleaners other than vinegar because it definitely smelled. My daughter was like asking a billion times if it still smells in the kitchen, so let me know what you guys use that doesn't have a stink. I also wiped the outside of the fridge with the vinegar spray as well. So there we have it, the finished product. It looks messy again, but it's clean. It's all clean on the inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be posting a bathroom cleanup video soon, so be on the lookout for that. And let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments below. Thanks, bye.